and welcome to another Crafty Box video. Once again, we're bringing to you another cool build that can be made using items from around your home in under 10 minutes. I'm Ollie.
And I'm Evie.
And today we're going to be making an infinite picture.
Alright, let's see here. Okay, no problem.
First you're going to need some paper or pictures, glue or double-sided tape, and some scissors. Let's get started.
Time freeze.
So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get 4 images that are square. Now what we've done here is we've got 4 pictures from a book, and as you can see that they're square, and there's another 3 that are hidden in here. Now I've already cut 3 of these up, but you want to cut them along the centre line so it has 2 long pieces left, like so. Okay, so now we've got 4 separate images. So what we want to do here is, if you want to start with this one, Evie, we're going to fold it in half, like so, and fold it in half into itself again.
Mine isn't totally equal.
It doesn't matter.
Done.
Okay, and then open it up and fold it in half again. So turn it over and fold it in half again. Okay. Into the middle. So when you fold it in half, you do it into the middle. Yeah, and then the other piece into the middle, and side into the middle again.
So there.
Yeah, that's right. Spot on. Yep, and then make sure you flatten down the creases. It's going to make it easier in the long run. And then open it up, and just to make it that little bit easier, we're going to fold it half long ways, like so. How are you getting on?
Good.
That's right. So it's going to look like that. And then open it up. And what we want to do is we want to make sure you keep your pieces together. So that's the first picture done. We want to do it for the next few. So can you do them 3? And I'll do these 3. So we're going to do the same again. Fold them in half. And then half again. Open it up and fold it long ways. Like so. I'm going to keep doing that for the rest of your pictures. And fold it in half again, long ways. You done that one?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll keep having pictures together. And put that there. And then you do the next 2. So you fold them half, side to side. Open it up and fold it into the middle on both sides. And then open it up and then fold it long ways. Like so. I'll do this one real quick. So what you'll have then is, you should have 8 strips, like so. So that's one picture, sorry, 1 picture, 2 picture, 3 picture, and 4 picture. So I'm going to flip these over because obviously we don't want to get rid of the image. And what we want to do is, we're going to put if you hold on to that piece there, I'm going to put some double-sided sticky tape on the corners. So we'll put one on this corner, like so. You put one in your top right corner, up there. That's right. And we'll put one on the bottom corner. And put one in your bottom corner. That's right. Let's put the pieces together now. Okay. So now what we want to do is, we want to get the next 2 pieces. I'm going to put this one in its bottom corner here. And make sure it lines up into this bottom corner like so. Okay, and we'll do the same for the top. To do the top in that corner, that's right. Right into the edge. That's it, good go. And the same with that one. Brilliant. Perfect. Okay, so that's the first picture we've put together. So what we're going to do now is, I'm going to fold it like so. Okay. I'm going to do the same again. So we're going to get some double-sided sticky tape or glue and put it in the corner. Put one there. Put one in your top corner.
Here.
No, on this one. Leave that one there for now. The corner, that's it. And then your bottom corner. It's okay. That's right, and then your bottom corner. And I'll put one in this bottom corner as well. Okay, you good? Let's just fold that over a tiny bit. We might as well put a little bit on this middle section here, and we'll put a bit on your middle section as well. Just put it on the middle section there. Okay? Lovely jubbly. So we've got the next, have you got the wolf one there? Right, okay. So what we want to do here is, we're going to fold it sideways again, because that's what we're going to open it. I'm going to feed it onto the bottom, like so, and then make sure it's the right way around, that's right. Ooh. Into the corners, that's correct. There we go, and then squish it in the middle. There we go, and then what do you think we do next?
Again.
We open it up again, correct? Good go. Ooh. So we'll fold it over, open it up, squish it down ever so slightly. Now as this is the last picture, we want to put as much tape as we can on to make sure it's nice and safe. So I'm going to put a piece there. You want to put a piece in your corner. Put a piece in this bottom corner, like so. I think we need to invest in some glue. And bottom corner. And we'll put a couple of pieces on the fronts as well.
Can I put them here?
Yeah. You put one more here just for good measure. There we go. So what we're going to do now is we'll keep it this way. So we're going to put it in the bottom, like so. Yeah, do you want to put the next one on? That's it, well done. Good job. So there we should have an infinite 4-way picture. So let's have a look. So this is our first picture with the two lizards. We open it up and it's a lion. We open it up again and we've got the 2 wolves. And then lastly we open it again for the monkey. Now what you can do is you can use blank paper and you can do drawings or anything like that. Now we've used this paper's slightly heavy so it's more like card, but you can use paper from magazines or pictures, or even photographs, but you've got to make sure that they do start off as squares. Cut them in halves along the middle centre line, and then you start piecing it together. And that's it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Time freeze. Yes!
Don't forget, if you like this video and for your chance to win one of our free giveaways, click on the subscribe button below and drop a comment in the comments section. We would love to see some of your creations and recommendations on what to do for future videos. Up top. Bye.